Hello everyone, I'm truly delighted to welcome to my online session where we will explore a groundbreaking method to achieve fluency in English effortlessly and feasibly. Many learners struggle with traditional language learning method. Are you also fed up memorizing grammar rules, extensive vocabulary lists, and tedious note making and overwhelming homework assignments? So why don't you use mnemonic technique? This technique focuses on practical communication rather than rote memorization. No grammar rules, no vocabulary memorization, no note making, or no homework. Engage in natural conversation and let me feed your brain with language skills. Learn in less time with no need for prolonged study session or homework. Receive class notes promptly after each session. Develop fluency by talking with me regularly. Practice speaking English daily to enhance communication skills. Hear from previous students who have successfully mastered English using this approach. Achieve fluency and confidence in speaking English through consistent interaction and engagement. Take the first step towards fluency by enrolling in my program. I look forward to embark on this language learning journey with you and helping you. Participants have the flexibility to choose their preferred time slot from three options: day session from 12:30 to 1:30, evening session from 7:30 to 8:30, and late evening session from 9:30 to 10:30. Basic sessions will be run twice a week from Monday to Wednesday, while advanced session will be held from Thursday to Saturday. Moreover, participants are welcome to attend the observation in all sessions, morning to evening. However, in their book session, they will have the opportunity to actively participate and engage in the learning process.
This is the number on which you have to text only.
Use an enrollment option by texting only. Mention your name, time, and level through text only. And thanks for giving me your valuable time.